In case you didn't know, it's officially spooky season. And if you don't have the ceramic lined leak-proof dishwasher safe tumbler, what are you doing? Not to mention it's super cute. I'll have it in the orange cart below for you. Grab it before you miss spooky season. Oh, also check out the other designs as well.